it, but if she really wanted to get to know us, she would have done it before she knew that we were gonna both.
I think I got part cat. Do you see that? That's yarn that he got into. Isn't that what cats do? And he stole my turtle that I had on the back of the couch. In fact, he stole both of them.
This is her reaching out.
Come here. Come here, buddy. So I woke up last night with him laying on the bed at my feet, and as soon as I woke up, he jumped off and ran off. But as long as I was asleep and not paying any attention to him, he wanted to be up on the bed with me. Huh, buddy? Hey, Paco. He's laying on the end of my bed.
It's your skin. I crave taking control of this acne.
He sure yawns a lot. I'll have to look up what that means. I think it means they're nervous.
Healthy looking skin feels amazing. Eucerin Advanced Repair has more than ceramide. It has natural moisturizing factors, locking in moisture for 48 hours.
Hello, baby.